How's it going, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're in an apartment building today and we're going to take a look at a plugged kitchen sink. Let's see if we find anything interesting.
I have no idea.
You have no idea.
All I know is it keeps coming all the time.
All the time?
Yeah.
Did he come do anything?
He pulled this whole thing out.
He pulled this out?
Yeah.
Look, that's leaking. That's leaking.
Yeah, he pulled all that out.
Well, he's... This guy...
Enough room in there, or you don't have it?
Oh, we'll make enough room. Yeah. You got power, boss?
What kind of power?
I'll plug that in there. So did he try to do anything?
I have no idea what he did. When I came home, he had that pulled out and he discovered that the clock was not again. So you won't bring any swing or something. And you just see what's up with it,
Yeah.
Everything here came up to 21.60. Okay, good.
What about it? That's it, done.
You gotta see. So just be a heads up, I told you this was leaking before I showed up, eh?
Yeah, I know.
So you may need to talk to the office and get them to change these parts out.
Yeah, he told me that he's going to come back on Monday. And,
Yeah?
well, I guess it's not Monday, it'll be Tuesday. But...
Look at that, it's almost like I know what I'm doing, eh?
Hey, here.
Almost.
Oh.
Can you grab the power there?
I can offer you a drink. Do you want a drink?
No, I got lots of water in the van. Thank you, though.
Okay.
Thank you
Have
very much.
vodka,
No, definitely not that.
Alright.
Thank you, I appreciate that, Bill.
No problem. It's still leaking, right?
What's that?
It's still leaking? No?
No,
No.
it doesn't even look like it. So it may have just been the the pressure buildup.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes that'll happen. All right.
Yeah, you look like you know what you're doing.
I like to think so. Keep this on for about a half an hour, okay?
Okay.
Hot water only.
All right. Great.
Have a good day, guys.
Thank you.
No worries.
That's a lot.
No worries at all. Sorry it took so long getting here.
No worries.
Have a good night, all right? All right, guys, there you go. So, not too bad. This man Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Truck.